next step is I'm going to slide all the brackets behind the element. Most elements have a little bit of play in the center, so I find this is the easiest spot to get the brackets in. Just lay the brackets loosely in there for now. I'm going to go ahead and screw all these in. Make sure the bracket is touching the floor on the bottom. And I'm going to screw it in. And I prefer to use the bottom hole as well. Be careful not to over tighten the brackets. Just snug against the sheetrock or finished wall is fine.